Welcome to JH. Today, we will learn how to activate Autocorrect in Outlook. This tool is essential for anyone who sends many emails, as it identifies frustrating typos and saves you from the embarrassment of sending errors. Let's enable this feature to ensure your messages remain polished and professional. Start by visiting the Outlook login page. While the process differs slightly between the desktop app and the web version, we are focusing on the Microsoft 365 web interface today. Open your web browser and navigate to the sign-in URL. If you are unsure of the address, a quick search for Outlook login will lead you to the official Microsoft 365 page. Once you reach the login screen, click the Sign In button. You will be prompted for your credentials, so enter your email and password to authenticate. If you have two-factor authentication active, complete that step as well. Using two-factor authentication is a great security habit for everyone. After logging in, you need to access your browser's settings. This process varies by browser, but for Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, you typically click the three dots or lines in the upper right corner. From there, select Settings to open the menu. Within these settings, look for the Language option to manage your spell check preferences. Clicking on Language will reveal a submenu. Look for the option to enable Spell Check, Check Spelling, or Language Check and toggle it on. This ensures that any spelling mistakes are highlighted while you type in various web applications, including Outlook. Enabling this through the browser maximizes its effectiveness across all web platforms. This ensures that as you draft emails in Outlook, any typing mistakes are flagged immediately for quick correction. Now, open the Email Composer in Outlook and start a new message. You will see that any errors are automatically underlined, allowing you to fix them instantly. This feature catches both misspellings and common typos. We hope these instructions were easy to follow. With autocorrect enabled, your emails will be clearer and more professional. This is just one of many tools Outlook offers to improve your productivity and make your daily tasks smoother. This guide ensures your Outlook has the right settings for a better emailing experience. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave a comment with any questions or future topic ideas. Happy emailing!